Hey everybody, welcome back. So today we're finally going to get to cutting this hole out and start working on putting the patch panel in. Here we go. now we got it all cut out. As you can see, this piece was already kind of mangled up from the old door, and it is definitely not my best cutting job. Just doing a little test fit here to see what we need to do. I think we're going to have to cut a little more away. We'll be right back. All right. After some minor trimming, it looks like we're going to have to trim a little more right here along this edge and also on this edge. And I think we're going to get away with fix the magnet here. Hang on a second, guys. I think we're going to get away with being able to cut this piece of the patch off and not go into that body line. We're kind of into it a little bit, but we'll be able to hide it. So a little bit more trimming and we should be good to go. Yes, sir. So we got it pretty much in there, close to it. I got to take a little more off of right here to get it to fit good. And also, you can get one of these on Amazon. It's a deburring tool. Deburring tool. And it works pretty good. It takes the edges right off and stuff. Cheap. I think I paid like 15 bucks for this. So, and you can see we still have this body line going across right here. So I'm gonna have to trim a little more along this line here. And maybe a little bit on the inside of this line here. And then I think we'll be able to take this off right at this line and stitch it in right here. All right. So this line up here is looking pretty good. Same with right here. The weld there's enough of a gap. The weld should sit right down in there. I'm gonna have to trim a little more off of this line here on the panel, just inside this pen mark. And I think we're gonna be able to get away with just removing this piece of the panel, patch panel altogether. We'll find out here shortly. we're getting closer. Definitely getting closer. Just need to walk this edge in a little bit. So I think we just need to walk in this corner, a little bit of that corner, and realistically this. Now the other thing too is this panel's not flat. There's a bit of a curve. Not a big one, but there is one there. Alright, well, this is what we've got so far. Maybe my gaps are right, maybe they're not. I don't know at this point. What I do know is I am for sure going to have to take this lip off right here that I put in. That way it sits right down in this opening. You can't really see it right now, but it is cut right above here. So I think this is going to work out. I may have to put a little bit of a radius in this just to match what's on here. So we will see you in the next video. Got a little more to do here, and we'll have a part 2 coming out. Stay tuned, and if you haven't, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Thank you.